FlyEnv runs Redis locally, with Redis Commander managing the live server. The local instance is already serving on port 6379, running Redis 7.2.4. Keys can be created and browsed directly from the browser. FlyEnv keeps the service and its versions in one place. Multiple Redis releases stay available locally, ready to install side by side. Installing and starting a newer release takes only moments. Redis Commander confirms the switch. The server is now Redis 8.10.1. Writes against the new version work right away. Local Redis managed visually on the version your project needs.